Homemade pineapple cough syrup, Grandma's secret weapon. In this episode of Grandma Hacks It, we're diving into a powerful homemade remedy, pineapple cough syrup. Packed with natural goodness, this concoction is not only delicious, but also incredibly effective in soothing those pesky coughs. Here's why it works. 1. Fresh pineapple, loaded with vitamin C and a special enzyme called bromelain. Fresh pineapple helps tackle inflammation and clears mucus from the body. 2. Ginger, nature's anti-inflammatory. Ginger aids in opening up airways, making it a perfect addition to our syrup. 3. Honey, a time-tested throat soother and cough suppressant. Its natural antibacterial properties add an extra layer of goodness. 4. Lemon, adding extra vitamin C and anti-inflammatory benefits. Lemon enhances the effectiveness of our syrup. 5. Cayenne. Optional. For the brave souls, the capsaicin in cayenne can help reduce the urge to cough. Skip this if preparing for children. Here's how you can make your own batch. Ingredients: 3 slices of fresh pineapple, skin removed, core intact. 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne, adjust or omit for children. A piece of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced or roughly chopped. Juice from 1 lemon. Instructions. 1. Blend the roughly chopped pineapple, including the core. This part is not only edible, but also incredibly healthy. 2. Blend all the ingredients until smooth using a blender or food processor. 3. Use as is, or for a smoother syrup, strain the mixture through a sieve. 4. Store your homemade syrup in the refrigerator and use it as needed. It'll stay fresh for up to a week. Remember, while coughing is a natural bodily function, constant coughing can be taxing. This pineapple cough syrup is a trusted home remedy that can offer relief. Plus, it's a hit with kids who might not be fans of commercial cough syrups. Customize your pineapple cough remedy. The proportions in this recipe are approximate, so feel free to play around with them to suit your taste. If you like it thicker or thinner, simply adjust the amount of pineapple. You can also strain it for less pulp. Children may not want the cayenne, and some adults may appreciate even more, like I added. Join us in embracing this time-honored recipe. Give it a try, and let us know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome grandma hacks.